Today I will demonstrate how these folder cards can be used to help students develop mental computation skills in Year 2. Although the cards help students when working out multiplication and division problems, at Year 2 level they will only be recognising multiplication as addition of groups and division as grouping into equal sets. Okay class, today we have been asked to work out what is 3 groups of 3. This sounds tricky, but it is actually really easy. We just need to use what we already know. We know how to count, so let's use counting to work out what 3 groups of 3 would be. And let's use our B card. I already have 3 B's. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is one group of 3. Let's count on 3 more B's. 1, 2, 3. This is 2 groups of 3. And how many B's are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 groups of 3 is 6. Let's add a third group of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many are there? Well, I already had 6, so let's count from 6. 7, 8, 9. There are 3 groups of 3 and I have counted to 9. So 3 groups of 3 is 9. Let's have one more check. Let's count all the B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will now briefly show what this might look like when demonstrating division to students who have already been made very familiar with using the counting strategy to work out groups of 3. Please be aware this would not happen in the space of one lesson. This works best if the gradual release of responsibility model is used by teachers, where teacher does, teacher and students do together, and then students do independently. When the teacher is confident students understand this, the following teaching segment could be introduced. Okay, we have been using our B cards to work out the total of groups of 3. What if I have 12 B's and I want to work out how many equal groups of 3 B's there are in a swarm of 12 B's? This sounds tricky, but remember, I use what I know. When we work out how many groups of 3 make a total, we count up in groups of 3 until we have the right number of groups. If we were doing 2 groups of 3, we could count up to 3, then up to 6, to work out that 2 groups of 3 is 6. Today, I know how many I have in total, and I want to know how many equal groups I will need. I can still use my B card. I'm going to start by counting up in 3s to 12. Remember, my swarm has 12 B's. 1, 2, 3, one group of 3. 4, 5, 6, 2 groups of 3. 7, 8, 9 is 3 groups of 3. 10, 11, 12, 4 groups of 3. How many groups of 3 did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3. Because I have organised my counting up in groups of 3, I can go back and check. 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3. So 12 B's can be put into 4 equal groups of 3.